This is the strawberry limeade G&T, basically strawberry limeade gin and tonic, okay? Strawberries, add some simple syrup, and we muddle that bad boy. Boy, that's a lot of simple syrup in this. This drink on the sweetest side, but there's nothing wrong with being a little sweet. Okay, ice in our glass, and we can hit that with some gin, all right? Once we've added gin, we come behind with fresh squeezed lime juice. Shake, 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 shake. Ice in our glass. Saxify with strawberries and lime slices. Okay, beautiful. And then we pour in this delicious little mix. Beautiful. All right. Loving it. And then we come behind that with a little bit of tonic water, okay? So it's a gin and tonic with a nice little... By the way, if you love gin and tonics, you should definitely give this one a try. Gin drinkers, you're always looking for a nice little simple drink you can play around with. This is one of them, all right? So for all your gin needs, you check out tipsybartender.com. Later.